those beautiful legs are. Oh, we lost it. We lost it. Okay, legs back. Kick, 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 kick. I know. We're having to work harder now. We're almost 2.
Good girl.
You gotta be so busy.
Good
So busy.
girl.
Please get those arms. This is the therapeutic exercise you need to do, Maggie. Look it up. I know, isn't it sad? I'm so sad for Gracie. I'm so sad. That her life was so good. What? Okay, get ready. We're gonna jump. We're gonna jump. Wanna catch her? Come away from the wall. Watch little Miss Wild Man. 1, 2, 3, jump! Coming back! You're coming back!
Oh, fish!
Go sit in the water and watch him.
Okay.
Ready?
Gracie.
1, 2, 3.
She's an adrenaline junkie.
She is.
Get that belt back down. I gotta get your belt back down. Sorry, little monkey. Here we go. There. Good.
There you go. Good
Okay.
kicking.
We're gonna count. 1, 2, 3. Face is getting wet.
Good job, Gracie!
You're the big girl. Gracie, you want to race to the stairs? Let's race to the stairs. Ready, set, go.
Let's go,
Go,
Gracie.
Gracie.
Let's go, Gracie.
Go, 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 go. I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you. It's gonna be a big accomplishment. I'm winning. Go, Gracie. Go, Gracie.
Go, Gracie. Go, Gracie.
Go.
Go, Gracie. Go.
Gracie, go. Oh, Gracie wins.
There's Bradley.
Bradley. Gracie, who's that? Yeah.
That's right.
Oh, fabulous. I need a sticker because Gracie just beat me in a race. I'm a little low right now. Oh, my. What? What was all that?
What was that?
Go. Let's go get the big ball in the corner. Let's go get that one. Okay? Can we go get that ball? Let's do it. Big arms, Gracie. Big arms. Go, 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 go. Go get the big ball. Go, ball.
Big ball.
Go, go, go. Oh, nice arms,
Oh, yeah.
baby. Nice arms. I love it. Did you get the ball?
Yay!
Good job.
Good job, Gracie. Woohoo!
Let's sink it. Where'd it go? Up. Where'd it go? Up. You sink it. Keep reaching. Can you get Daddy? Can you get him? Go get Daddy.
That's not that ball.
It's all about the toys.
Yeah.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd the ball go?
Oh, Gracie, look who's coming.
It's Bradley.
Gracie, look who's coming. Can you touch there?
Yes.
Who's that? That's your friend? Is that your friend?
You have the ball. You got it.
It's everything else. Next one. You're gonna jump in. Ready? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, jump. Big girl.
Yeah, she's been laying down in the pool. I mean, in the tub on her stomach and kicking, all by herself.
It's so cute. I mean, she's catching and
Yeah.
grasping everything.
Yeah,
It'll all come together.
Yeah.
Like when she's ready
yeah,
for
yeah.
that blowing bubbles,
Yeah.
it's just going to happen,
Yeah.
and then she's going to be in underwater.
That's the way. That's the way she
Her
is.
face will be in, and she'll be fine.
Yeah,
She'll
yeah.
be so fine.
Gotta keep kicking.
We've had great friendships come out of this.
Look what I find.
Uh-oh, where's the boys?
She's trying to. Look at the, hey, Kathleen, look, she's trying to climb out.
Where are you going? Look at those muscles.
I know.
Baby, let's go up. Up. Your workout. Do your workout. Come on, Gracie.
There you go. Good girl. Climb.
Up.
Climb.
Down. Creepy crawly. Gracie. Creepy crawly. Keep coming. Oh, come on. Come get me. Can you creepy crawly? Can you keep going? Keep going. Keep going.
Like,
going.
but Kathleen, there's water here.
going.
There's water
Keep going.
everywhere.
Keep going. Uh-oh. Up. And down. Up. And down. Up. And down.
There's Bradley.
Swim! Swim! Swim, Gracie, swim! Swim, Gracie, swim! Come here! You can't touch Gracie, remember she's a baby. Race Bradley!
It's
Get
Bradley.
It.
Go, Gracie.
Hello.
This is Bradley.
Hi, Bradley.
Bradley, can you say hello?
Hello.
This is Gracie's cousin. Right here. This is Gracie's cousin.
Hi.
This is Bradley. He loves Gracie.
My name's Erica. Nice to meet you.
Don't you love Gracie, Bradley? She's a sweet baby, isn't she? Who's that? That Dora. Dora. Dora.
There's a monster on the floor.
Oh no, no monsters. Please, no monsters.
Yes.
Gracie, we can't have monsters in the pool.
Yes.
No monsters.
It's on the ground.
Are you going to save us from it?
No, I'm scared
No,
too.
you got to save me and Gracie. Come on. Save us.